Hello, respected professor and everybody. I am Kashish Patil, student of B Pharmacy third year, 5th sem at PR Patil Institute of Pharmacy, Talegaon, SP. So, this is my presentation on the occasion of Student Presentation Week 2025 of Pharmacognosy and Phytochemistry 2 under the guidance of respected Dr. Nilesh Banarase sir. Now, in this presentation, we are going to discuss about coriander. Now, here is a short overview of this presentation in which we will see its synonyms, its biological source, its geographical source, its morphology, its microscopy, its cultivation and collection, its chemical constituents, its uses, its marketed products, and its adulterations. Now, let's start the presentation. First, synonyms which are widely used for coriander are fructus coriander, coriander fruits, and cilantro chinese parsley. Then, next is biological sources of coriander. Coriander consists of the dried ripe fruits of the plant known as Coriander sativum and it consists not less than 0.3% volume by weight of volatile oil and it's belonging to the family Umbelliferae. Now, next is geographical sources of coriander. First, it is cultivated in Central and Eastern Europe, particularly in Russia, Hungary, and in Africa and in India. Second, in India, it is cultivated in Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Jammu and Kashmir. Third, it is also found in a anti-wild state in the east of England. Then next is morphology of coriander. Its characteristics. First, type. The fruit is cremocarp. Second, shape. It is subspherical in shape. Third, color. It is yellowish brown in color. Fourth, size. The size of the fruit is 3 to 4 in diameter. Fifth, order. Aromatic order. And sixth is taste. Aromatic taste and spicy. Next is microscopy of coriander. First, the transfer section of coriander shows the presence of a dorsal surface and a commissural surface. Second, the dorsal surface consists of two vittae and a carpophore. Third, the dorsal surface have five primary ridges and four secondary ridges. Fourth, the epicarp consists of a single row of small thick wall cells with calcium oxalate crystals. Fifth, the mesocarp has an outer loosely arranged tangentially elongated parenchyma cells and the middle layer consisting of sclerenchyma. Next, the diagram of transverse section of coriander. Now, here is the explanation of transverse section of coriander. Epicarp, single layer, thick polygonal cells. Few cells contain calcium oxalate covered with smooth cuticle. Mesocarp divided into three layers. Outer layer, outer closely arranged tangentially elongated parenchyma. Middle layer, middle compact sclerenchyma. Now, inner layer, large irregular polygonal and lignified parenchyma. Endocarp, it shows percutry arrangement of cells. Testa, single layered and yellowish in color. And endosperm, it consists of polygonal, thick wall colorless parenchyma containing fixed oil and aileron grains. Now, next is cultivation and collection of coriander. The coriander seeds are sown in dry weather, either March or in early autumn. Shallow drills about 1 by 2 inch deep and 8 inches apart are made, and the seeds are sown in it. The rate of germination is slow. The plants are annual herbs which grow to a height of 1 to 3 feet high, slender, and branch. Next, the flowers are in shortly stalked umbels with 5 to 10 days. The seeds fall as soon as ripe, and when the seeds are ripe, the disagreeable odor is produced. Plant is then cut down with sickles. The fruit are collected and dried. During drying, fruits develop aromatic smell and the unpleasant odor disappears. Next, the chemical constituents of coriander are as follows. First, essential oil 1 to 2%. Second, linalool, major constituents of coriander. Third, camphor. Fourth, fatty oils. Fifth, oleic acid. Sixth, palmitic acid. And last is ascorbic acid. Next, the uses of coriander. Carminative, stomachic, expectorant, flavoring agent, aromatic, stimulant, and diuretic. Then next is marketed products. It is one of the ingredients of the preparation known as cystone, made by Himalaya Drug Company. Next, Bilwadi Churnam, made by Vaidyanath, and Sage Massage Oil, made by Sage Herbals. Now, adulterants. Inferior varieties of coriander, fenugreek seeds, cereal fruits, and similar small fruits and seeds are often admixed with commercial coriander. Now, I express my heartfelt gratitude to Dr. Nilesh Banarase sir, our esteemed guide, for his continuous support, motivation, and valuable guidance. I am thankful to respected principal sir, director sir, and all faculty members and non-teaching staff for their encouragement and assistance. Specially thanks to my friends and classmates for their cooperation and moral support. Thank you and have a nice day.